So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to make money with Google certifications. Now with these certifications, you can actually reach out to business owners, entrepreneurs, and things like that for things that they need to help grow their business. They are actually looking for people who have these skills that you're going to learn with these certifications. Also in this video, I will share with you a few places where you can go to get your first clients once you have gotten your certifications. Now if you like watching videos about how to make money online or how to make money from home, then make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so that way you can get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. Also, if you want to know my #1 way that I make money online, go underneath this video, hit that first link, and you'll go to my #1 recommendation on how I make money online. And also, leave a comment below. Let me know if you are working from home or if you have a full-time job. Let me know in the comment section below. So let's go ahead and let's dive into this content. So the next thing that you want to do is you want to come over to skillshop.withgoogle.com. And this website, I will actually put a link in the description box below this video. So once you come over here to this website, you can see right here how you can master the tools of Google with their free training. So all you want to do is you want to click on the Get Started button. Now once you come over here to get started, you can see all of the free certifications that you can get here. So the ones that you really want to focus on are Google Ads, Google Marketing Platform, Google Analytics, Google My Business, and Google Ads Manager. Those are the ones that you really want to focus on. And as you can see here, they have a variety of different trainings underneath each module. Now, as you go through here, you can gain certifications in multiple ways, as you can see here, as they have different modules for different things about Google Ads. And then once you have gone through the module and gone through the training, you'll be prompted to take an assessment. And if you pass the assessment, that's when you'll get access to a certification that you can actually print out and you can keep for yourself. You can put on your wall or whatever else. And then most importantly, you can put this as part of your skill set when you are applying for jobs. And then also if you're looking for something that you can do to work from home, these are things that you can also let people know that you have as part of your skill set when you are reaching out to people to gain new clients. So how you can actually tackle this website, you can go through each of those skill sets that I had mentioned that you really want to focus on at the beginning of the video. You can go through all of them and you can go through every video that they have inside of each of those modules, and you can become certified in all of those, or you could choose one and become completely certified in that one. That's workable too. If you want to take things slower in the beginning, choose one of those options, choose Google Ads, become a specialist with Google Ads, and then over time you can go ahead and get the additional certifications. And again, that's just another way for you to boost up your skill set. Now, another benefit for you getting these certifications is that these business owners and entrepreneurs that you will be reaching out to, they will need people like this to help them to grow their business, because they're business owners and entrepreneurs. They need to focus on the business. They need to focus on other things like hiring people and everything else. And the last thing they need to do is take hours out of their day trying to learn a new skill and even master that skill to help them to increase their revenues. So that's where you come in. It would just be better for them to hire somebody who is an expert in Google certifications, somebody who knows how to use Google My Business effectively, that's going to help them to draw traffic to, their brick and mortar business or whatever else. So by you learning these skills, you'll be able to help so many other people to grow their businesses even further. Now, one way that you can get your first clients is to leverage social media. By you having these certifications, again, you want to target business owners. You also want to target entrepreneurs and things like that as well. And a prime example of a type of business owner that can use these skills that you have learned from Google certifications are e-commerce store owners. Some of them are leveraging free strategies to get traffic to their Shopify stores. Some of them are using Facebook ads. And I know for me, when I first got started with e-commerce, I was starting with Facebook ads and I had zero knowledge about Google Ads. And now Google Ads is very, very popular in the e-commerce space. People want to know more about Google Shopping ads and everything else. So these are the type of people that you want to go ahead and reach out to and see if you can help them with their business by helping them to advertise using Google Ads. These are the prime example of good customers to reach out to. And you can reach out to these people on social media. So if you go on Facebook, there are a ton of e-commerce groups where a lot of people who own e-commerce stores frequent these groups. They're asking questions. They're looking for help to grow their business. And what you want to do is you want to join some of these groups. You want to interact in these groups. And then when people are saying that they need help growing their business, or they're actually looking for people who are good with Google Ads, you can definitely reach out to those people, and that's how you're going to be able to start to get your first initial customers. So definitely start with social media. And then also with social media, you want to create a daily marketing plan. So you want to be on at least 2 platforms. So you can be on YouTube and Facebook, or you can be on Instagram and TikTok. Whatever it is, you want to use these platforms to educate people about Google Ads or Google Analytics, or why they need to use Google My Business. You want to educate the people, and you want to make sure that you're posting on these social media platforms every single day, and that way you can start to reach more people. People start to think that you're synonymous with Google Ads or Google My Business or whatever else. You position yourself as an expert in that space, and guess what? People will actually start to DM you, and people start to ask you questions and things like that. And this is where you can answer those questions and then offer your services. And again, that's how you're going to be able to get your first initial clients. So that way you can get some social proof underneath your belt. Now that social proof can definitely help you with the next option that I'm going to share with you that you can use to help you to get clients. So now you see different modules about Google Ads in which you can learn more about. And just how I mentioned how a prime example of a client that you can target with Google Ads are people who are in the e-commerce space who have Shopify stores. And this is what they will be looking for, like shopping ads. But what you want to do is you definitely want to go through each of these modules, of course. But let's go ahead and click on shopping ads. And now you can see you can get your shopping ads certification. And then you can learn more about shopping ads and everything else. And this is exactly what people who have e-commerce stores are looking for. People want to be seen on Google Ads shopping. So whenever somebody puts in something into Google, and they can actually see their store show up at the top, at the very top of Google, promoting something that they have in their store. So that means more traffic to their store, which in turn means more money. So again, this is something that people are actually looking for. So if you became certified in this and you actually offer your services to e-commerce and Shopify owners, you can definitely earn some money with this certification. Another place where you can actually get clients is through Fiverr.com. Now, just how I mentioned before, by you leveraging social media in order to get your initial clients, you can definitely come over here to Fiverr, even if you haven't had any experience yet by doing Google Ads or whichever path that you choose for the certifications. Even if you don't have any experience, you can still come over to Fiverr.com and post jobs. And then what I will share with you briefly also is what you can do if you have some sales underneath your belt, you do have some clients under your belt, and how you can actually make more with Fiverr. So if we come up here to Fiverr, and let's just go ahead and put Google Ads. We can do Google Ads Manager or something. If we look at some of these right here, you have Google Ads Management, and it starts at $275. This one, he will provide advanced Google Ads Management for $125. I'll be your certified Google Ads Manager for $200, and so on. So you can come over here and post, and you want to list all your skills, your certifications that you have just received from the Google website, and you can list all those things. And again, you can list your job here, and this is how you'll be able to earn simply by using Fiverr.com. And then I had just did a quick search for Google Ads, and if you scroll down a little bit, you can see people starting off at different prices. This person right here, this is Fiverr's Choice. He's at $580. This person is Pro Verified, and they're starting at $100. So to be Pro Verified, you do have to apply for this. But what they want from you is that, any certifications that you have, any achievements you have with Google Ads, any previous jobs that you have done, any client work that you have done and you got them results. You want to give them all that information to apply to become a Pro verified seller on Fiverr, which allows you to make more money on Fiverr. If you start with social media and start posting on there to get your clients, that way you can go ahead and get your initial clients, and that way you have something to use when you apply to become Pro Verified on Fiverr. And again, you see how much people are earning by being Pro Verified. Like these guys right here are Pro Verified, and they're starting at $350. So it pays to get that certification, but then it also pays to go ahead and get your initial clients, especially if you want to earn more on Fiverr. But it's not a requirement for you to go ahead and post a job on here on Fiverr for your services. So in this video, I shared with you how you can make money from Google certifications, and also a few places where you can actually post jobs so that way you can get your first few clients. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a comment below. Also, again, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video.